Hey y'all, so don't mind the junk in the back, but I don't know if I'm gonna continue this video for something else or am I gonna create this. I'm gonna make this into another video, but it's gonna be called Sunday Fun Day. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. We're vlogging today. Just know we're vlogging today. Don't know what the title of this video is gonna be. Let me give you an OOTD because I should have been out the house a long time ago. But this is what we're working with. Now I definitely feel like I should have my white shoes on. But I'm not going to because I'm wearing my green purse. Now it looks too because I need the white shoes on. But am I gonna put them on? No, because my feet hurt and my forces, I can't wear those if I'm shopping today. So I'm not doing that. But didn't even introduce the video. We're gonna do that as well. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know the title of this video, so I can't even give y'all an estimate. I don't even know. Like, I have no clue what this video is going to be about. But today, I was like, I want to go shopping. I want to go to Tyson's Mall in Virginia and just do some shopping. Some retail therapy. You know what I'm saying? Like, a little something something. Not that I need to shop and not that I'm going to be doing big shopping, but I do know that I need to get some lotion from the mall. No, I need to get some soap. I'm running out of soap. And so I know this mall has Bath and Body Works. It has a whole bunch of other stuff. So y'all, guess what happened to me? My track just fell out of my hair, girl. My track just fell out. Let me tell you something. That's bad. Cause no, like for real, that's real bad. Alright y'all, I think I got a pretty decent picture. Now let me tell you what happened. So I got milk from Trader Joe's like last Saturday, and at first I thought that like it said that it expires on the 15th of November. Today is November 5th, I think. So the milk would expire in about like 10 days. Tell me why that milk expired today, bro. Like, that milk was done for. Y'all, I can't believe my track just fell out, boo. Oh, so embarrassing. I'm about to throw this away and meet my friend. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get to the mall. Definitely bridal, no.
You said this is what?
I feel like that's when you're getting married. This one, friend, I think this is cute. This brown is too cute.
I don't wear shorts. They don't stretch. Got a little size on me. No, but the legs part not gonna stretch.
This jacket is so cute. Look cow print. But these jackets are too cute. I'm gonna buy me one of these. This pink one is the one. This is cute. I like this. So these Uggs are too cute. Y'all, I bought some skims.
You need to stop living a lie. You know we shit like the shy. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Designer head to toe, to the head.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, but spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know you?
Yeah, so I tried the Fenty shade in 33. I think I tried 33B, but I can't really remember. Yeah, my favorite scent would have to be the Valentino.
What is that?
I look, you like it.
It's just to give it to my grandma though. Like, give grandma.
This gives grandma.
But it smells good though.
This is the one. I don't know
like
which one this is, but this is good. The one, this one is giving me.
That's this one.
Yeah.
That's good fortune.
It's giving me Bulgari. This one, the Bulgari. These are gifts. What my grandma be wearing.
Know better, know you know better, know you cool better than you do.
As a kid, I am. I had a grilled cheese and a lemonade and some chips, like real kid stuff. But it's the best thing from Panera Bread besides the soup. I love me some breakfast and the soup, but the best thing from Panera Bread is the grilled cheese and the chips and the lemonade. Like, it's the best thing. So I'm gonna eat because my camera about to die and I'm not gonna record. So I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna talk to you guys afterwards. I don't know what this vlog gonna be and what we gonna do, but I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, today is Sunday. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I have the fan blowing as it is very hot in this dorm. But today is Sunday. It's kind of just like a reset chill day. So far I'm doing laundry right now because I have loads to do. And I'm gonna clean up my room because I want to record a fall lookbook, and so I'm not too sure where I want to be for the lookbook. Like, I could stand in front of my sign or I could stand in front of the closet, but I'm not too sure where I want to be, unfortunately. I gotta figure that out. But I'm gonna record the lookbook today so I can post that video on Friday. And I'm not gonna vlog this week. So basically I already have my content literally all planned out for next week, and I love this because now I don't have to like rush on Tuesdays and Thursdays to just figure out a plan to record. Like, my content is already planned out, and so next week I'll just record just like really anything for like for Monday and then Wednesday. Like, you know, we keep on going, but glad my content is just being planned out. I did want to look into my planner and see the content that I had written down because I think I've gotten off of track with that and I don't remember what I put down for real. So we have 27 minutes on a washer and we have like over an hour on the dryer. So I'm just gonna finish editing this video, get my, hold on y'all, someone won the lottery back home. I gotta call my grandma. It was like $1 billion and someone bought it and won in Detroit. OMG. All right, so I'm gonna just chill and I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit later. Y'all, please don't be mad at me, but I have not vlogged all day today. I don't know what it is, but I'm extremely tired and I just have not vlogged today. It's gonna be a long week, y'all. I can tell you this right now. It's gonna be a real long week. I need to study, finish my econ, and I'm gonna cook something just so I can eat something. But honestly, I'm not hungry for real. I had pizza from Whole Foods. I went to Whole Foods. I did my laundry. So all my priorities are out the way besides studying and finishing my homework and making something to eat, which I'm about to do right now. I think I'm gonna study later on today. That's really about it. So I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all me cooking because I show myself cooking every single time, and I like showing on me, like, but I'm just making excited to say that I'm not showing y'all that. I'm back to my room. I'm gonna cook my dinner and I'm gonna talk to you guys afterwards because I'm gonna just talk to y'all afterwards. I'm not gonna show y'all me. Show me cooking. It's just really no point, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. We're studying for biology and we understand, like, very much proud of ourselves, very much we finna get this A. We getting 105, actually getting an A+. We're getting an A+. Because we don't have time to fail. No, for real, it really stresses me out. It gives me bad anxiety. Because every time I feel like I'm going into this class and I take a test, it's a lottery ticket. Like, I win some and I lose some. How do I know if I'm winning or losing? You know what I'm saying? It's just bad. Bro, my grandma called me and she was, why would my grandma call me and tell me she was going through my old journals, my old diaries? Like, you need to be for real right now, because why are you looking through my private stuff? And the journal said, it was like private stuff, keep out. Like, is she going through it? Like, you are too much. I used to just be writing my little heart out. That is so crazy because I don't remember journaling. I think I'm gonna end this vlog. I don't even know. I don't even know why I'm still recording. Until he died, you knew.